Should be good.
Yep, we got a leak, and it's a bad one. I'm out here in our travel trailer. I haven't shown you guys our travel trailer yet. We just pulled it out of storage and went on a camping trip and came back, and we got hit with a few storms when we got back. And I came out to check the trailer because the window seals have been looking pretty bad, and I probably should have replaced them a couple years ago, but I didn't. So we're out here now because there was a huge leak in our emergency exit window right behind me here in our slide out, and it was running into the slide out behind our couch, all over the floors. Luckily, I came out right when the storm started, and I was able to put some plumber's putty up above the window, and that seemed to stop the leak. So now it's dried up, and I'm gonna be taking the window out, taking off the butyl tape, putting on new tape, and then adding some RV sealant as well to really seal these up. The leak was coming out from the bottom here, but I believe it was originating up top, obviously on the outside, and running down and then coming out the bottom. And in the middle of trying to stop the leak, I also broke our emergency latch, so I'll be replacing that as well. These come out pretty easy. See around the frame here, there's these screws. This is the inside frame, so we'll just unscrew those. And then on the outside, it's really just that butyl tape sealant that's holding it onto the outside of the RV. So after we unscrew all of these screws, then we'll go on the outside and pull that off, and then get everything cleaned up and apply some new sealant. Okay, so we got the outside frame out, and then all we got to do is push this window out. So now that we've got the interior frame out, got some plastic trim pry tools here. I'm just going to go around and get this under the frame and pull it away from that sealant tape that's on there, and we'll work our way around the window and then pull it out, and then we'll clean up all the old butyl tape and put down our new sealant. Okay, so here was the issue. This was the top right corner. As you can see here, where we've got dirt and stuff coming in, meaning we didn't have a seal. And then over here, you can see where this butyl tape hasn't even been compressed on anything. So it wasn't sealed up at all. There's also dust and dirt in here on the frame, telling me that we definitely had a little bit of a leak there. Kind of see the same thing. This tape wasn't sealed on anything, and there's some dirt and some debris in there. So we're gonna get all this old tape removed and get the new stuff on. Okay. Good news is we don't have any water damage. I think I stopped the leak in time. This is where it was coming in, and I think it was flowing down my opening here and then out the bottom down there. So looks good, wood looks good, foam looks good. I think we're in good shape. We're gonna get it sealed up here. So I've removed most of the old butyl tape from here. We're just going in with our new roll and putting it around. I'm gonna put it right up to the edge. That way when we fasten it down, it will actually kind of seal out. I'll come back and trim that, and we'll add a little bit of cap sealant around the top and the sides. It should be good. So we got our butyl tape all the way around the frame, and we cleaned up our frame here. We're just gonna reinsert the window. Got the internal frame back in place. All we need to do is put our screws in, and that will squeeze the exterior window frame to the interior and squeeze all that butyl tape that we just put around the edge. So after we tightened up the inside frame, you can see where it squeezed our sealant out all the way across the top, around that corner, all the way around. So I think this is where it was leaking before. As you can see now, we got a good seal. So it's pretty annoying. I know those plastic latches probably break left and right, and the only place that I could find just the latch was on eBay, and after shipping it was the same price as a whole new assembly. And like I said, I know those break off, and so they should just be selling those, but they don't. So we're just gonna pull out, I don't know, I might just add in a whole new handle and everything. That way I have a whole new setup since I bought it. So that's probably what we'll do. Okay, so we got our emergency door latch fixed. New handle, new latch. Our window's looking good. I'm gonna go in on the outside and trim off the excess butyl tape. Now I'm gonna come in with a little bit of this Dicor cap sealant for windows and doors, and run a small bead of that across the top just to kind of double seal it up. So that's a wrap on fixing the window leak. Don't be like me and go out and check all the sealant on your RV to prevent any leaks before they happen. We got this fixed just in time for our week-long trip where we visited 4 national parks across Utah and Nevada. So stay tuned for that one. Should be good.